When I spoke with Minta Akando, he says that Samson Jaba is a blackmailer. He has never received a penny from Samson Jaba. No bribe. He has never bought him any plane tickets.
Samson Jaba, I'm picking up information that from 2001, he used to give you 2 million Ghana cedis every year. And is it okay if I record?
You know, let me tell you this. I don't know where this thing is coming from.
Okay.
You know, I don't know whether you have followed what's happening about the lens.
Yes, I have.
So he's up to a blackmail. But I'm not ready to go into that banter with him. Let me state it on record because you have called me, and out of respect for you,
thank you,
I decided to speak to you. I have never on any occasion, on any day, taken any bribe from Samson Jaba. Put it to you. If you have any evidence of that, really let me take Akando. Today I will resign.
Abusia honorable Minta Akando health minister edema woman Ghana na sabre honorable na so ayehye pa ni nyina ene bribery allegation bi a yede ato ne so ya yese one man bi a ye friend Samson Jaba wono na sabre de wakwakoma no bribe na sa waje bribe no edi afri no abra na Samson Jaba ebe de edema ne company wo parliament house na no na honorable Minta Akando sabre na wo ye chairman edema committee no enunti wono na ye man dey say something small for the boys e was say envelope brown bi esu e wo table no ase ansa e na the bed no akoso na eno ene ensam ya Ghana for e dey aye allegation ebo honorable minister na Blakk pastor abopni honorable na woni no edi nkomo no obi san say honorable Ghana for kire say wo na mo aye say high bofo a wo bu adwuma nyina no say eye kenken kwa na corruption pa de nka ye ka wo bi say bribe de wo ye mu number 1 ye police fo a wo e na wo ho e na honorable say ensam na ekoso no busia nukre bia enim na emum eye wotan hunu ne wosaye na wo mo pese omode say no woni Blakk Rasta edi nkomobusua ensem ewo mu pa bebia wo mu free ene bebia wo ma babedu ye beko na yakwakutie ensem no ansa na ye beko no eye too much gh ene woni go so hwe mese se obemia subscribers no se busa ya kai sa wo de bell no ebeka ho edi ama me se ne be na upload ni to mu apɛ woni first person ya wo sa ebedi kan akaka no ho na ye nkotie Blakk Rasta enkomo a on a health minister no a boy e fa bribery allegation bia ye boss Samson Jaba edin.
Bro, for the purposes of public scrutiny and evidence sake, let's chat on WhatsApp on all details of the so-called allegation. I ask, who is Samson Jaba? 1. 2. I do not take bribes, and I have not taken one in a mere position as a ranking member, nor as a chairman. So I ask, what is that issue about? And I said, Samson Jaba is the boss of Lightwave Healthcare Solutions. I am told that you got 2 million Ghana cedis from him annually from 2021. And he said, well, name defined. Okay, thanks. He has never worked with me personally. Can he confirm in what capacity I or he worked with me? And on what, my brother? It continues. So my information is that you approached him, harassed him for the annual bribe to support his company's bidding in parliament as an MP. True? He said, very stupid allegation. It's a blackmail. I have not engaged him in any financial transaction other than he reaching out to me for help on his project. His approach was so terrible, even if I had a way to lobby for him as a health committee chairman. Incomplete sentence. Let him forward to you all our communications, as mine is on my phone. It's strictly formal. Then he came forward and said, he is a rude guy who feels access to power makes him lord over anyone. Bro, I respect myself and my space. Now the above communications show my position on him at first encounter. He made Sam meet us to make a presentation. I don't know who Sam is. But he made Sam meet us to make a presentation. I was fine, but my question to the then minister, etc., was, why should such a sensitive national asset be in the hands of one person? And that's the health data management system, the contract. That's what he's talking about here. Why should such a sensitive national asset be in the hands of one person? His project is a good one, if rolled out, assuming it remained one person. However, it has to sit with the state, not at the whims and caprices of just one person. I told him this, and I stand by that. I'm sure there's a little slip in there. I have always advised the policy people to hurry up with its implementation and own it. However, we are where we are now. And he wrote again, bro, it can go public. I tried over and over for him to make peace with the new minister, but his ego won't allow. My wish is for government to extend his contract. He to complete, I'm sure that's what he wanted to say, complete the project, and the state gets him off it. Nonetheless, I can't be used as a tool against government here. He is disappointed I have not waded into the issue because we don't have, one, the contract, two, the GOG, Government of Ghana audit, details of payment. And then I advised him to provide me all these details to query the minister. And that has not been done. Bro, this is a blackmail to get me on his side. Maybe I am not worried. I told him off, and I will pursue what is right in my conscience. That's it. And this is from Nana, you a free doctor. Nana, you a free Asokore, Efiduase, constituency MP. He said, Samson Jaba is a blackmailer. He's arrogant and so full of himself. And he has never taken anything from him. And what did Samson Jaba say when I returned to him and told him, this is what the gentleman here is saying about you, that he has never taken anything from you? What did he say? He said, bro, I slept late and I just woke up. Please believe these politicians would always deny when there are no receipts. I have no reason to lie. I handed cash over to him personally and Akando as well. I have witnesses. Even Melissa on 2 occasions when Efriye came to collect money. This is when they threatened not to approve the budget for e-health. It was a tag team. Akando as ranking and Efriye as chairman for the Select Committee for Health. I will call you shortly. Dash it away. And this is Samson Jaba. And remember, it's all in the interest of God and country. Do people take bribes in order to kill the nation? Do they care about the health of the people? Today, all the work that Samson Jaba did, all our health data, he is sitting on it, and we don't have that. All because of a certain disagreement. You didn't do your work. I did my work. I gave you money. You took this from me. You came here. You are not a brother. You are a fraudster. You are a blackmailer. All that. And when the elephants are fighting, it is the little grass that suffers. This is the case. So I decided to talk to Kwabena Minta Akando. When I spoke with Kwabena Minta Akando, I sent him a message, but he decided to speak. And I asked him, sir, can I record you? He didn't give me an answer whether to record or no. He just smiled. So I started to record. And towards the end of our conversation, my brother, my sister, he opened his heart and spoke with passion. He says that Samson Jaba is a blackmailer. He has never received a penny from Samson Jaba. No bribe. He has never bought him any plane tickets. And that Samson Jaba is going round saying things that, in fact, I cannot repeat on TV until he gives me the permission to put that out. The least I can say is that he claims that Samson Jaba is going around paying off bloggers and news people, media people, to blackmail him. And that he even has nude photos of him. As to how he got those nudes, I don't want to say. My brother, my sister, this is Kwabena Minta Akando. Let's listen to just a minute of our conversation, and I will delve into it again.
Samson Jaba, I'm picking up information that from 2001 he used to give you 2 million Ghana cedis every year. And is it okay if I record?
You know, let me tell you this. I don't know where this thing is coming from.
Okay.
You know, I don't know whether you have followed what's happening about the lens.
Yes, I have.
So he's up to a blackmail. But I'm not ready to go into that banter with him. Let me state it on record because you have called me, and out of respect for you,
thank you,
I decided to speak to you. I have never on any occasion, on any day, taken any bribe from Samson Jaba. In any case, I have never dealt with him, whether as a businessman or I don't know. I don't do any business with him. I don't know in what capacity or why he will give me that 2 million he's talking about. What it is actually is that, has taken money from the state for which he has not done what he's supposed to do.
Right.
And he has done so much harm to the state that I think that there is a need for me to take the right decision as a minister responsible for health.
He mentioned that you actually came over to him and threatened him. In fact, when his team was still running, and you asked him to give you 2 million, Ghana cedis every year.
If you have said this so many things to people, you've been sending messages to people who have gotten to me, including you, gotten to me that he is coming to a lot of things. Blackmail, including videos of my nude pictures. I'm saying that, Black Rasta, let me repeat it to you. If there is any evidence of that, which I really let me take Akando, today I will resign.
If he has any evidence, if he has any proof, I, Kwabena Minta Akando, I will resign. As I speak right now, I have a bunch load of so-called evidence. When I put this before Samson Jaba, don't talk to me if you don't have evidence, including videos. Remember, it's all in the interest of God and country. Is Samson Jaba hurt that people that he had fed before have turned against him? Is Kwabena Minta Akando truly fighting for the people of Ghana? Or he decided to take this off so that he would give it to a higher bidder in terms of who could give him more? Is he that kind of person? How about Nana Ayu Efriye? My brother, my sister, in the next edition,
Ejabusia and Samuno and Ayakwa could see about the mesre, say Ubeja will comment, our comment section who at the Amamo Sene and Samuno will see a general edify all the social media handles no too much GHO subscriber like you know what share na afofonso in the Bashim Dean at the dark code Ebessentia.